That's it. So the first one is I should get the overload here. But now the swag is closed. So I'm gonna pass and get my seat belt. Okay? Step inside. Go to a higher mount. So see my left knee. I'm gonna bring under his head. Not gonna work with my knees here behind his butt. Go higher here. Okay, so now I can pull into it and place my second move inside. Okay, sometimes I can trap his arm and I can switch to armbar. See how easy it is? But you guys need fundamentals. You guys need to understand the guard pass, the side control, the back take, and then I can go for attacks. Okay, 1, 2, 3. The beginning is the same.